Hello, everybody, and welcome to a very special interview. We're going to be looking at the subject of enclosures. Enclosures in digitalization. How important are enclosures? We're also going to look at system ability and how enclosures play a part in this. So I'm very pleased that we have Mr. Manuel Bauer of Schneider Electric, who's joining us today. Manuel is the offer marketing manager for universal enclosures at Schneider Electric. Now, before we dig into the detail and see what's new, would you like to talk about how enclosures play a role in digital transformation efforts?
Yeah, thank you, Andrew. So it can be easy to overlook enclosure when talking digital transformation, especially with advanced capability like AI, grabbing headlines which far-reaching efficiency benefits. But enclosure are a sort of unknown heroes of transformation, with choices directly supporting our goal around sustainability, flexibility, efficiency, and reliability, which are our four main pillars. So our panel set SFN range of panel or enclosure is very interesting as it has been designed to give maximum flexibility for customer to achieve this benefit.
Thank you, Manuel. Sustainability is interesting as it is a clear goal of almost everyone's digital transformation journey. Can you explain, please, how enclosure choice can influence decarbonisation?
Yeah, Andrew, sure. So today, the steel industry is responsible of around 7% of CO2 emission globally, representing an opportunity for improvements and driving the need for new low CO2 options that both cut carbon footprints and still deliver what the customer needs. To address this, we are using 50% recycled steel coming from green energy, wind, solar, in our panel set SFN floor standing enclosure. So it means a 34% reduction in CO2 emission compared with the previous version, which can significantly reduce the carbon footprint for a business. Even if an enclosure or a rather modest investment compared to a complete system upgrade or a brand new production line, they can help customers in all industries to meet upcoming green regulation. A company of all sizes will require to publish their carbon footprint using verified data, and regulation on scope 3 emission from purchases, goods and services will be more strict in the future. There may also be tariff associated with important carbon intensive products. So opting to choose an enclosure based on sustainability will cut, of course, carbon footprints, while transparent life cycle data will protect business from compliance risk. So talking of scope 3 emission, we also have to consider today end of life, and our panel set solution are 97% recyclable. As a whole, the panel set SFN can significantly support customers on their carbonization journey today.
Wow. Okay. So that's quite an important element of what's being discussed here. That really does show.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. That's really a new transformation of the business, transformation also of the habits, transformation to what we want to do with Schneider and with the customer today. Yeah.
So flexibility is a clear competitive advantage, but reliability is just as critical. How does enclosure choice support reliability?
So the reliability for us comes from the design. Just for an example, the panel set SFN improved the design is based on the bolted structure that is a strong and has a completely welded structure. So this means customers don't have to choose between a robust solution or an enclosure that can easy to mount or to assemble and transport. The frame can withstand a static load of 1,500 kilo, making it equivalent to welded cabinets to safeguard critical equipment in demanding conditions.
Okay, that's really quite strong, isn't it? very strong.
Yeah.
So, Manuel, what other additions support reliability?
So, Andrew, thanks again. It's a very good question. Today, the customer can add a new climasis cooling unit to create an optimal condition for equipment inside the enclosure to reduce downtime. And we know that downtime is very important for the customer today. So our climasis units are digitally connected to our solution EcoStructure and allow remote monitoring and communication through native Modbus remote terminal units, and can also be connected with a cloud-based automation platform for an integration into a wider digital maintenance strategy. So our cooling units are now also a part of a more sustainable global solution, thanks to a reduction in the amount of gas inside them and their smaller sizes. In turn, maintenance team can plan maintenance intervention at the right time and extend the overall lifespan of a critical equipment housed inside the enclosure.
We've covered how the panel set SFN offers efficiency through engineering and assembly time. Can you talk about how enclosure choice supports overall efficiency in facilities?
Yes, of course, absolutely. So the choice you make at the design and install stage have much more impact on efficiency and sustainability, of course, of a solution than many realize. So our custom enclosure configurator allows customer to adjust the enclosure to meet their needs in minutes. It can even build a 3D digital twin of a panel at the design stage so that they can check dimension, etc. before ordering for a faster turnaround. From an operational standpoint, the panel set SFN can be combined with Climasys cooling unit and ProClima thermal software. This prevents overheating, which in turn will avoid unnecessary energy consumption and protect critical equipment. So enclosure choice can directly support facility-wide efficiency.
Let's turn to another benefit, flexibility. Now, as we know, every site has unique needs. How does the panel set offering deliver adaptability for customers?
Yeah, so Andrew, that's a good question. So adaptability is all about saving work time and maximizing the quality of the enclosure. Our three procurement options are standard, kit, and customized. Standard comes with or without mounting plate and a plate or a glazed door. Kit is in a kit form, and customized gives choice over machining, paint finish, cubicle assemblies, and accessories as well. So the symmetrical concept of our enclosure allow this enclosure to be coupled in any directions and doors to be installed on any side of the enclosure to adapt to available spaces and enable comfortable access. When the enclosure is delivered as a kit, our panel set can be adapted to any customer needs with 100 options for dimension and up to 600 possible configuration. So the panel set SFN can be quickly and easily assembled by one person while being customized to match any available surfaces. So the flexibility offered by the panel set SFN doesn't just make an installation easier, it avoids wasted time through over engineering. The customer can get exactly what they need for automation, electrical distribution, or electrical application exactly when they need it.
Since the launch of panel set SFN, have other products been adapted or developed to integrate recycled materials or more sustainable solutions?
Yes, exactly, Andrew. And thank you very much for that question. So since the beginning of the year, we have launched an evolution of our panel set PLM made today with 37% recycled polyester. We are also the first on the market to offer a sustainable GRP enclosure. We have also added a QR code to this enclosure, which allows also you to store any document and thus avoid printing sheets or drawing or other documents, which makes it more sustainable solution. It's also worth noting that although this offer is more sustainable, it does not affect the characteristics of the panel set PLM in any way. Also, this offer remains the best option for an outdoor installation solution. As for future products, starting next year, we will be expanding our sustainable solution for panel set PLM, which is our GRP floor standing enclosure. And we will also be launching our panel set SBX range, which is our stainless steel boxes that we also made with recycled materials.
Okay, so there's quite a lot going on. There's quite a lot of new innovation.
Yeah, that's our goal today. It's also to give and to give to the customer a green offer and make them available in every way.
Many thanks, Manuel. To wrap up, what would you say is the main takeaway our readers should consider for enclosures?
Yeah, so sure. Enclosure choice is more strategic than it may seem. An enclosure should be more than just a box to house equipment. It can also provide benefit at every step of an asset's life cycle. As a well-established brand, our panel set combines decades of trusted expertise with an unfiled offer that's eco-designed, adaptable, reliable, and digitally connected. Engineers in manufacturing, infrastructure, and utilities can use the panel set SFN enclosure to extend the life of critical assets, simplify maintenance, and support compliance with environmental regulation.
That's absolutely perfect. Manuel, thank you so much for what you've explained about the Schneider approach to this area and how important it is to make wise choices when specifying enclosures. Thank you very much for your time. So if you've enjoyed watching this and listening to what Manuel has been able to explain to us, please do not hesitate to follow the link and to see the full range of Schneider options for this. Thank you once again, Manuel, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.
Thank you very much. Thank you.